You can see the truth. Tatalon ako dito pag bagsak ko, wait na.
Heaven ako. Hi, baby girl. Video. Pastor, what can you say?
Betel, gusto mo?
Pardon?
What can you say to Mount Sabat?
It's very good mountain, high mountain.
And
Mountain is big and the cross is huge.
Very huge.
36 story.
this is the way.
36 story building.
I can see America from here.
Lalo na pag ano
How
shopping.
about you, Mrs. Nancy?
Shopping na
and
tayo.
Mr.
Stress.
Bobby?
5 days lang ang damit.
Oh,
4th lang pala, 4th. Number 5th. The Mall of Asia.
okay.
Bagay.
Sa kabila, wala kita. Kita mo.
Para kita yan.
Sa plane ba?
Hindi, siyang nagkikis, hindi ka.
Tourist spot ito, di ba?
This is Mr.
Steven Sigil.
Abot ba ako?
At the moment. Wag kang tatalon. Pakasalan na lang. Wag kang tatalon. Pakasalan na lang.
Oh, let's go.